Unlocking the Universe, a journey through space travel science. Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how we manage to send machines, and even people, soaring into the vastness of space? It's not magic, but it's definitely mind-blowing science. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the secrets behind space travel, from the powerful rockets that break free from Earth's gravity to the sophisticated satellites that orbit our planet. Rockets are the workhorses of space travel. They defy gravity by expelling hot gas downwards at incredible speeds. This creates thrust, pushing the rocket upwards. The Tsiolkovsky rocket equation is fundamental. It dictates how much a rocket can change its velocity, delta V, based on its exhaust velocity and mass ratio. Understanding this equation is crucial for designing efficient rockets. The equation highlights the importance of minimizing the rocket's dry mass, the mass without fuel, and maximizing the exhaust velocity. This is why engineers constantly strive for lighter materials and more efficient propulsion systems. Chemical rockets are the most common type of propulsion. They use chemical reactions to produce hot gas. Liquid propellant rockets offer high performance and control. They use separate tanks of fuel and oxidizer, which are mixed and ignited in a combustion chamber. Solid propellant rockets are simpler and more reliable. They contain a solid mixture of fuel and oxidizer, making them easier to store and handle. Ion propulsion, though less powerful, is incredibly efficient. It uses electric fields to accelerate ions, providing a gentle but continuous thrust over long periods. This is ideal for deep space missions. Once in space, objects follow predictable paths governed by orbital mechanics. Understanding these principles is essential for navigating the cosmos. Kepler's laws describe the motion of planets around the Sun. These laws also apply to satellites orbiting Earth. An orbit is a balance between inertia and gravity. A satellite is constantly falling towards Earth, but its forward velocity keeps it from hitting the surface. Orbital maneuvers involve changing a satellite's velocity to alter its orbit. This requires precise calculations and carefully timed rocket burns. Satellites are indispensable tools for communication, navigation, and Earth observation. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific purpose. Communication satellites relay signals around the globe. They use transponders to receive, amplify, and retransmit signals. Navigation satellites like GPS provide precise location information. They use atomic clocks to ensure accurate timing. Earth observation satellites monitor our planet's climate, weather, and environment. They carry a variety of sensors to collect data. Space travel presents numerous challenges. From the vacuum of space to extreme temperatures, engineers must overcome these obstacles to ensure mission success. Radiation is a major concern for astronauts and spacecraft. Shielding and careful mission planning are essential to minimize exposure. Microgravity can have adverse effects on the human body. Exercise and specialized equipment are used to counteract these effects. Debris in orbit poses a collision risk to satellites and spacecraft. Tracking and mitigation efforts are crucial to maintaining a safe space environment. Space travel is constantly evolving. New technologies and ambitious goals are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Reusable rockets are reducing the cost of space access. Companies like SpaceX are leading the way in this area. Space tourism is becoming a reality. Soon, ordinary citizens will be able to experience the thrill of spaceflight. Deep space exploration is targeting destinations like Mars and asteroids. These missions will require advanced propulsion systems and life support technologies. From the fiery launch of a rocket to the silent orbit of a satellite, the science behind space travel is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. We've only scratched the surface of what's possible, and the future of space exploration is brimming with exciting possibilities. Now it's your turn to take the next step. Explore the resources listed in the description below to delve deeper into specific topics. Subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on space and science. Share this video with your friends and family to ignite their passion for the cosmos. And most importantly, never stop looking up and wondering.